In this tutorial, we are going to learn multiplication and division of fractions. At the end of this tutorial, you will be able to multiply and divide any two fractions, integer numbers or mixed numbers consisting of whole part and fractional part. Subscribe and like us, and let's get started. Okay, to multiply two fractions, we multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. For example, 3/4 multiplied by 4/3. First rule I already told you was to multiply two fractions, we multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. And if we have mixed numbers, we have to convert them to improper fractions before multiplying. And if you don't know what is a mixed number, watch our previous tutorials. And also, the third rule is that before multiplying, we have to cancel any common factors in the numerator and denominator. Let's see this example. This is our example. 3/4 times 4/3. We multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. And as I said, we have to cancel any factors in numerator and denominator. Of course, 3 is cancelled out by 3, and 4 is cancelled out by 4. And we have 1/1, which is 1. Another example is 2/5 times 3/5. In this case, we cannot cancel any common factor, and result will be 2 times 3, which is 6, and 5 times 5, which is 25. More examples. Another example will be with mixed numbers. 2 and 1/12 times 1 and 7/20. And as we know, as I already said, we have to transform our mixed numbers into improper fractions, and how to do it, watch our previous tutorials. The first fraction, when it's transformed into improper fraction, will be 2 times 12 is 24, and 24 plus 1 is 25. So this is 25/12. Second fraction, second mixed number, when transformed into improper fraction, is 1 times 20 plus 7, 27/20. And next we have to perform cancellation. For example, 5 is 5 times 5, and 27 is 9 times 3. 12 is 4 times 3, and 20 is 4 times 5. If we, for example, we can cancel this 5 by this 5, and this 3 is cancelled by this 3, and we have what we have left. We have 5 times 9/4 times 4. This will be 45/16, and we have, if we divide 45 by number 16, we have 2, and remainder will be 13 over 16. 13 is remainder, and we already know how to write this in this form, mixed number. If you don't understand it, watch our previous tutorial. Next example is with mixed number. Assume we have 4 and 1 over 2 times 4 over 7. Let's add another element, times 4 and 2 over 3. How about this? Let's transform our fractions into improper fractions. The first will be 4 times 2, 8, plus 1, 9. 9 over 2 times 4 over 7 times 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 over the same number, 3. Now we perform cancellation. 9 is 3 times 3. 4 is 2 times 2. And 14 is 2 times 7. When we perform cancellation, this number 3 is cancelled by this number 3. 2 is cancelled by this number 2. And this 7 is cancelled by this number 7. So we have in numerator 3 times 2 times 2, and denominator is 1. This is 12. Let's give another example. Assume we have one number, assume one number is whole number. 5 times 4 and 5. And since 4 over 5, since 5 can be represented as 5 over 1 times 4 over 5, and our 5s are cancelled out, we have just 4 over 1, which is 4. One more example. Assume we have 5 over 8 times 7 times 4 over 15. Let's rewrite it, and since 7 can be represented as 7 over 1, now we perform cancellations. 8 is, as we know, can be written as 4 times 2. 15 is 5 times 3. And when we perform cancellation, this 5 is cancelled by this 5, and this 4 is cancelled by this 4. What we have left? 7 over 2 times 3, which is 7 over 6. And we can write it as a mixed number, 1 and 1 over 6. And one more example, more examples, more experience. 4 and 3 over 4 times 2 and 5 over 6. First, let's repeat rules. First, we transform our mixed numbers into improper fractions. Then we perform cancellation, and before we multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So let's again transform our mixed number into improper fraction. 4 by 4 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. 19 over 4 times 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 over 6. Next, we perform cancellations. We don't have any cancellations because number 19 and 17 are prime numbers. If you don't know what is a prime number, watch our previous tutorials. And 19 times 17 will be 323, and 4 times 6 is 24. If we represent it as a mixed number, we have 13 whole 24s inside 323. So we write 13, 11 is a remainder, and 24. Beautiful number. Next, let's talk about division of fractions. Division of fractions. Rule is very simple. To divide a number by a fraction, just multiply number by reciprocal of fraction. Reciprocal of fraction, for example, if we have a fraction 6 over 7, reciprocal of this fraction is 7 over 6. We just interchange numerator and denominator. So reciprocal of, say, 3 over 4 will be 4 over 3. So again, rule is that to divide a number by a fraction, just multiply this number by a reciprocal. Just change the denominator and numerator of fraction. Examples. Assume 2 over 3 divided by 4 over 15. To perform this division, we multiply our 2 over 3 by a reciprocal of our fraction, which is 15 over 4. And as we already learned previously, just perform multiplication. 4 is 2 times 2, and 15 is 3 times 5. We cancel 3 and 3, and 2 with 2. We have left 5 over 2, which is 2, and 1 over 2, which is by definition 2 plus 1 over 2, which is 2 and 5, by the way. Another example of division is assume 1 and 3 over 5 divided by 3 and 1 over 5. First, again, we, as in the case of multiplication, transform our mixed numbers with whole part and fractional part into improper fraction. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 over 5 divided by 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 over 5. And now we change our division into multiplication, but we have to take a reciprocal of the second number. It will be 5/16. We just changed numerator and denominator, interchanging. And now we just perform our multiplication and we perform cancellation. 16 is 2 times 8. We cancel 5 and 5, and this 8 is cancelled by this 8. So answer will be 1/2. So it was everything for this time, and subscribe our channel and like our videos. I will appreciate it very much. Thank you.